How to use quotient rule for exponents. Rules. Keep the same base. Subtract the exponents. For example, 3 to the 8th power over 3 to the 5th power. Remember, if an exponent is down and positive, we can move it up and the exponent will be negative. Let's move 3 to the 5th power to the top to make the exponent negative. Now we have 3 to the 8th power times 3 to the negative 5th power. In this case, we keep the same base and add the exponents. 8 minus 5 equals 3. So we end up with 3 to the 3rd power equals 27. Let's try another one. 4 to the 5th power times x to the 7th power over 4 to the 3rd power times x to the 4th power. Remember, if an exponent is down and positive, we can move it up and the exponent will be negative. Let's move 4 to the 3rd power and x to the 4th power to the top to make the exponent negative. Now, we have 4 to the 5th power times 4 to the negative 3rd power times x to the 7th power times x to the negative 4 power. In this case, we keep the base and add the exponents. 5 minus 3 is 2, and 7 minus 4 is 3. So we end up with 4 to the 2nd power times x to the 3rd power equals 16x to the 3rd power. Let's practice. Take your time and try the following exercises. When you finish, check your answers with mine. Practice solution. 6 to the 5th power over 6 to the 4th power equals 6 to the 5th power times 6 to the negative 4th power equals 6 to the 1 power equals 6. Next, 4 to the 9th power times t to the 12th power times p to the 15th power over 4 to the 6th power times t to the 5th power times p to the 9th power equals 4 to the 9th power times 4 to the negative 6th power times t to the 12th power times t to the negative 5th power times p to the 15th power times p to the negative 9 power equals 4 to the 3rd power times t to the 7th power times p to the 6th power equals 64 times t to the 7th power times p to the 6th power.